you're traveling to Bali and have no clue where to stay, what to do, and how much you're about to spend, this video is for you. Stay tuned. When you search on Google for hotels or resorts, many options come up, and it can be very confusing. There are many price ranges that you can choose from, but the main question is, where are you gonna stay? Here is a map of Bali. The airport is just there, and the capital called Denpasar. If you're after temples, nature, greenery, mountains, I really recommend the east side of Bali. If you're looking for water sport, a place to chill and relaxing resort, the south side of the Bali is for you. Plus, you are really close to Uluwatu and also the big statue called GWK. I'm not going to even try to pronounce the full name of it. And you get the opportunity to see the new highway across the sea. If you're after parties, nightlife, and clubs, I really recommend the southwest of Bali. The best places to stay are Seminyak and Kuta Beach, when you can enjoy stunning beaches, exciting nightlife, and endless shopping. Plus, you can walk along the coastline. Also, some people prefer to stay right in the middle in Ubud because it's a center of art galleries. It is also close to monkey forest as well as rice terraces. But if you want to take my advice, you can always take a day trip to Ubud, so you don't really need to stay there. Ubud is also really great for quad biking or ATVs. I really recommend to do that. So, in summary, nature is in the east side, water sports and relaxations are in the south, parties, clubs are in the southwest, art galleries, monkey forest, rice terraces, quad biking is just right in the middle of Bali. Now let's move into what to do in Bali. Most of the people come to Bali just to chill. Bali is also famous for massage, nature, and clubs. Let's get into it. Starting with massage. The main difference between getting a massage in Bali versus other countries is the price and also the massage types. You can get a massage for a price ranging from $20 to $60. Here is a list of massages and prices. As you can see, there are many different types of massages that you can choose from. For example, chocolate massage, mango scrub, head massage, and so on. I really recommend you to try them, but be careful. Not all the massage places are hygienic. So, always check the Google reviews before you book your massage. Let's move into the water sports. Water sports in Bali are also amazing. Again, great prices and great variety. You can try jet ski, diving, and sea walking, and so on. I have listed all the prices of the water sports at the end of this video for you. Another must thing to do in Bali is going to Uluwatu. Why? Because you can enjoy the food and the drinks right next to the ocean during the night while watching the Balinese dance and the shows. I highly recommend you to give it a go. The next activity is ATV or quad biking. I highly recommend you doing it in Ubud because you will get to ride through the jungle as well as the rivers. And for the ultimate nature experience, the monkey forest is the perfect mix of beautiful nature, stunning waterfalls, and the chance to feed and play with the playful monkeys. I highly recommend you to go and visit them. Bali is also famous for shopping. There are many mini shops around. But if you're looking for silver, I highly recommend you to see the silver factory. You get to see how they make jewelries and you will see the large variety of designs. Now, let's get into the cost. Here is the cost for the water sports. For example, sea walking costs 800k rupiah, which is roughly around 80 Australian dollars. And here is the full list of costs for water sports for your reference. Here are the other costs. The flight price depends on where you're flying from and the season. Normally, February to April is a low season, while May to July is very busy in Bali. Flights from Perth to Bali can range from 300 to 700 Australian dollars. Resorts normally cost between $400 to $600 per night, while hotels range from $100 to $300 per night. The average meal price is about $15 to $20. A taxi from the airport to where we stayed in Denpasar was $25. Massages can range from $20 to $60, depending on the duration, type, and the place you go. And the price for a full day driver is around $60. That's it. I hope this video helps you to plan an amazing trip to Bali. Until next time, happy travels!